I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. You are. They are. I am. I'm. You are. You're. He is. He's. She is. She's. It is. It's. We are. We're. You are. You're. They are. There. Let's practice some phrases. I am happy. I'm happy. You are my friend. You're my friend. He is angry. He's angry. She is busy. She's busy. It is hot today. It's hot today. We are brothers. We're brothers. You are sisters. You're sisters. They are sleeping. They're sleeping.
Thank you for watching. If you found the content of this video useful, please leave your like, and write your opinion in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, so you don't miss the next videos.